What's going on, guys? Today we're going to check out what stocks to eye down for the upcoming week, February 13th to the 17th. And I'm going to dive into the Stock Sniper's weekly watch list found on our website and our app. Today I'm going to dive into the App Store. So when you log in, you'll make sure you jump into that watch list tab. And when you click on the weekly watch list, it's always the guy with the binoculars. We'll have the list of stocks we're eyeing down for the upcoming week. This is February 13th to the 17th. Happy Valentine's to everyone, and hope you guys enjoy it with your loved ones this week. Now, we're hoping we find some love in the stock market and out of one of these 10 stocks. These are the 10 stocks we're eyeing down. We're not telling you to go out and buy all 10 of these this week. We want them to hold certain spots, and if they break certain resistance levels, that's when we're eyeing down to take a move. So we're going to go down starting with our OTC markets, which is our bread and butter and where the stock snipers make most of our money. And then we still have one listed stock to talk about at the end of the list. We'll start off with a stock we made money on Money Monday to start a brand new week, and that's OTC Penny stock GDVM. We have the Twitter people talking about it. It looks like it wants to break out of 52 weeks highs of 1108, and that's why we decided to buy it when it broke above 10 cents on Friday. We like the hold of 10 cents, so we got in, and it didn't break that 1108 on Monday morning, but we still were able to grab a bag, selling it right around 106. The next stock we have on the watch list is another one we took overnight, and this one is a multi-month breakout. This is a former runner, ENZC, that we've played before and we've made money in the past. Now we're coming back for it again. We like the fact it broke above 5 cents to close out the week on Friday, and we're looking forward to continue that push that it made. Now on Money Monday, unfortunately, it didn't get the push and it got a sell down instantly in the morning, but we were able to take our bag right around 5.3 average, making just about $300 on the morning. So overall, making around $600 to start Money Monday on those two stocks. Great work starting Valentine's week with some money. Give us some Valentine's money. Take our loved ones out tomorrow. The next two stocks are OTC housing related penny stocks that we've made nice bags on to start the year. That's Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, FNMA and FMCC. They both follow each other. So if one make a move before the other, we're just eyeing down to play that other one. Either way, we're looking for both of them to get above a key resistance spot of 50 cents and then push back above 52 cents. If we see that happening, we're probably going to look to play the breakout level going all the way back up to 56 cent area. VPLM is the next OTC penny stock we're eyeing down, and this is another one of the 5 sniper patterns that help us consistently profit in the market, and that's a panic dip buy. What we look for is a big percent drop in a short amount of time, and VPLM did that on Friday, but it didn't drop enough. We like the fact it created a first green day. Now we need multiple green days, and we want to see it come all the way back down closer to that long-term level of 0.55, and if it drops below that, closer to that long-term breakout level support of 0.4. This next one's a lighter volume OTC stock, and there are tons of OTC stocks that don't even have volume at all, and I know that's a fear for a lot of people out there, but the stocks we play, we make sure they're at least trading with 200,000 or more in dollar volume. So with MGUY, we need to see this at least create a first green day above 36 cents with $200,000 in dollar volume or more. If we see that, we're going to look to take advantage of the move in MGUY for a potential 52-week breakout all the way to the 42 cent area. This is another one that we've made money off of a couple times in the past, and we're looking to do it again. It's crazy to see DPLS all the way down to half a sub penny. So making new 52-week lows last week, and now ending the week with a small first green day. We need more volume in this stock to trust it. So if it's able to create a bigger first green day this upcoming week with better volume, $200,000 or more, we're going to be looking to take advantage of DPLS in the upcoming week. And the last OTC stocks we have on here are cannabis stocks. The cannabis sector got a small spike to end the week last week. For us, we personally like to eye down the cannabis sector leader MSOS, and when that makes a move, we like to look into these OTC stocks to make a move and follow along with it. We have a list of 3 OTC stocks here, but there are plenty of OTC cannabis stocks, and they usually follow each other if they do get a big move. And speaking of cannabis stocks, we actually are representing one today. I got my Planet 13 shirt on for when I went up to Vegas and got to go visit the Planet 13 store, PLNHF. It's another one you can add to this cannabis list if you want to for a potential first green day, because if all of these 3 spike, most likely PLNHF is going to spike as well. And this looks like it wants to get back above $1. So a bonus watcher right there, PLNHF. Other than that, we have KGKG. That's a sub penny. The stock snipers have tried their drinks before. We've bought them. They're CBD drinks that are in different gas stations. We're actually not trying to tell you this to fall in love with the stock. We just like that it's coming up to a multi-month breakout level. It created 0094 multi-month highs a couple weeks back, and that is right next to Pennyland. So if it comes back to that area, we think we can get to a penny. We just need to see it get above 0075 first. That's the next resistance spots we needed to see it get above, and we need to see better volume. The next one is True Leaf. This is one of the biggest stores, biggest franchises down here in Florida. We have over 100 True Leafs in Florida. It's like the Walmart of cannabis. Not the biggest fan of their product, and as you can see, the stock market is paying for it. It is making all the way down to new 52-week lows of 605, and it bounced off that spot on Friday as MSOS made a small first green day. We want to see it get above 640 and push. That's the spot we believe momentum will start to shift. And the last cannabis one is AYRWF. We like this one because it's got a tight range that it's traded the past 2 months. It's literally trading between 120 and 148 very, very tightly. If it's able to break 148 and 150, we think this thing is going to be able to run, and we do need to see the cannabis sector run first to get convinced if this can run next. Those are the cannabis stocks as well as the add-on of PLNHF. And last but certainly not least is our one and only listed stock. And we only got one there because I think we're going to snipe this one this week. We're really eyeing this one down to make a first green day because this is the famous BuzzFeed that got a huge, huge spike when it was buzzing 3 weeks ago when it got AI chat GPT news. So AI related news got a spike from $1 all the way to $4.25. So 400% plus spike. Now it's back to $1.50 in about 10 straight downward days. So we got 2 weeks of declining now, and we're looking for that first green day. Usually when we get a momentum shift, we're just trying to play that high a day break, and we use low a day as cut. So we'll be looking for that move in BuzzFeed. If that doesn't happen, 125 is where that original breakout started, and we'll like to try to dip high around that spot if it continues to dip there this week. Now, there is 10 stocks to eye down in the upcoming week. That is 10 opportunities to potentially make money on for you and I this week. We already made 2 bags out of the 10 to start the week on the top 2, but definitely don't keep your eye off of them because they're still holding and they have the potential to continue their runs. The idea is not to buy all these. It's to set up alerts and be prepared when they come around. Preparation is key in this game, and it's a great way to be consistent in the market. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you back here next Money Monday with a new list of weekly watchers. Stock Sniper Mike, out.